like to congratulate ASEAN Center for Biodiversity for their action to conserve biodiversity of the ASEAN region, as well as for a remarkable facilitation role for biodiversity conservation in the region. ASEAN Heritage Park Program, small grant programs, biodiversity and climate change projects are just a few examples of the milestone achievement made by the ACB that facilitate to enhance capacity, effective management in AHP, and resources for biodiversity conservation in ASEAN. Our world is facing increased and continuous challenges from climate change and natural disaster due to loss of biodiversity and ecosystem services. Assistance from ACB are very useful for us to strengthen our conservation efforts. We Myanmar will continue our collaboration with the ACB to set biodiversity for our future and present generations. Once again, I would like to thank ACB for long and continuous support to Myanmar in biodiversity conservation and protected area management.